Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So today is a new box on our channel. We're opening a new box. And this is, I guess, different than my other ones, but something that most of us need, not most of us, menstruating women need. Hence, this is a period box. So I just subscribed to this recently, obviously, because it's new. I probably won't open this every month, you know, but I definitely wanted to tell you guys about it. So this is called the LOLA Box. And with any new subscription on our channel, I pull up the website to get more information so we can learn a little bit about it. So what is LOLA? LOLA is tampons and pads for women by women. We've got you covered with trusted period and sexual health products delivered to your door. So you get simple products. There's no toxins, dyes, or synthetic fibers. I think this is probably the driving force to my purchase of this because a lot of the store brands of tampons and stuff like have chemicals and stuff, and you're putting that in your body and that is not safe. So I'm really, into using more body safe ingredients in every way in my life, like on my skin, in my body, what I consume, in my mouth, like everything. So when I learned more about this, I decided I definitely want to take better care of myself, and one way to do so is to eliminate knowingly inserting toxic things into my vagina, like that is a place that can absorb things very well. So everything you get from LOLA Box is toxin free. I will stop blabbering about, that, but also it says there's modern convenience delivered straight to your door with free standard shipping and complete transparency. No BS, just trusted products and candid information. So they offer a lot of different subscriptions and you can build them yourself. So I'll just read a few of them. So the first one is called Period Bestsellers. You can get compact plastic applicator tampons, ultra thin liners, and ultra thin pads with wings for $28 a month. There's also the Period Essentials, which is compact plastic applicator tampons, ultra thin liners, and cleansing wipes for $29 a month. The Period Complete, which is compact plastic applicator tampons, ultra thin liners, ultra thin pads with wings, and cleansing wipes. And then it just keeps going. Let me see if there's one that you can get just pads. You can get cardboard applicator tampons. You can get a mix of pads, tampons, wipes. You can get the Sex Essentials box, which gives you ultra thin lubricated condoms, personal lubricant, and cleansing wipes. They have even some vitamins that help, like a daily multivitamin that actually will help with cramps. Apparently they have a cramp essential oil blend. My first period kit that I wish I had when I first got mine. I actually thought I was dying when I got my period, so I'm all about how we should be talking about this and stuff. When I first got it, I thought I had cancer or something. I was dying, and I didn't even tell my mom. That is so awful. I wish I knew more about it, and I had some kind of my period kit there for me when I had it, But I think times have changed and people are more open talking about it. I hope so, at least. But the one I chose is the Period Classic, which is because I just use tampons. I don't use pads. So this just has compact plastic applicator tampons, and it also comes with some cleansing wipes, and it is $20 per month. I actually got mine for 40% off my first box. I was actually watching one of Jessica Braun's videos, and they sponsored her video and gave her a code, and she had me think about that, because I used to get some organic tampons and stuff sent to me, but then that subscription ended or something like that, so I haven't had any. So I'm and it's been on my mind. I'm I need to subscribe to a period subscription. And then I saw her talk about it, and she's about how they're all toxin free and all that, and then she had her 40% off code. So I looked at their website, liked what I saw, and I subscribed. So I think her code's probably still active because her video was a week ago or something, maybe 2 weeks. But I will leave that down below if you want to try it out. So I think I paid just over $10, for my first month, which is awesome. And one thing that made this super awesome is that you can customize what type of tampons, as in regular, super, super plus, light. So you can customize how many you get of each one, depending on your typical period situation. So I can't remember what I got of each, but I think I got at least 1 or 2 of each kind, because there's some days maybe the first and last day are super light, the second day heavy, you need that super one, and the other day regular, and sometimes mine vary month to month. So I loved that that was an option. There's no extra price to customize it that way. You seriously get to pick the exact number. So I think we get the idea of like what this is about. I will leave their website below along with that code so you can see all their different plans. I think it's great how they like have like sex positivity and like safe sex stuff on here too. I think that's really important. So yeah, anyways, let's see what I got. So when I open it, this is what I see. There's a card that says, "Welcome to LOLA. We're dedicated to providing you with trusted products and candid information for you to make deliberate decisions about your reproductive health. This month and every month we've got you covered. Jordana and Alex." Those must be like the founders and owners. That's awesome. And then there's 2 boxes in here. So they're discreet too. I like this. It's like actually like cute. Like I won't mind having this in my bathroom. So in here there are 18 compact applicator tampons made out of 100% organic cotton and BPA-free plastic applicators. There's no synthetic fibers. They're fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. We care about what's in every product we use. Tampons shouldn't be any different. LOLA products are simple, made with natural ingredients, and easy to feel good about. Made for women, by women. Do you know like a lot of the big companies and corporations that like make the tampons and all that are like men making decisions? Like, I like this company already. And then LOLA, what's this? These are like the wipes, 12 cleansing wipes made out of 100% bamboo. And then there's like water, gluconic acid, honeysuckle, I don't know, that probably gives it some sort of scent. It says, "We care about what's in every product we use. Wipes shouldn't be any different." And then again it says, "LOLA products are simple, made with natural ingredients and easy to feel good about. Made for women, by women." Or made by women for women. So these boxes are so cute. Like, and like it just like has like a brief little description of what's inside. Like I'm in my like bathroom in my bedroom. There's like just a little shelf above the toilet where I usually like keep things. Like I'm just gonna put these boxes there. They're so cute. So let's see what kind of tampons I got. I can't remember what they look like. It says, "This too shall pass, and until it does, we're here for you." Oh yeah, periods suck. Okay, so it looks like the different strengths have different colors, but they're all like in that blue shade range. So let's see, I can't remember what I got of each, but I don't even know if you guys are curious, but I'm gonna tell you. So these are the light ones. So I think I got 3 light. I think I probably got the majority of regular, but yeah. These are like super cute and they're pretty small. Like you can totally put these in your bag easily. You can even just hold these in your hand when you go to the bathroom, and you know, it doesn't like scream tampon or anything like that. And it's like pretty, like packaging. So this is, yeah, these are the regular ones. And then I got some super and a few super plus. So I can't remember that, yeah, like I chose like the majority regular, and I think I did a decent amount of super too, just 'cause you never know. So yeah, they're all different colors. I loved that I was able to pick it out. And I'll see like what I use, and then I can go on the website and adjust like how many of the light or how many of the regular I get and all of that. So I just think that is so cool that you could do that. Like I said, I've had a period subscription before, and I think I was able to pick like what strength I got, like regular, super, like maybe like 10 regular, 10 super, but I was never able to like just go through and pick like exact numbers. Like, you know, like I'll have only 2 super plus, 3 light, like 6 or 7, you know, you can seriously pick, so that's awesome. And the wipes are an extra bonus. I like to have these around like any time of the year, just like have these in any time of the year, any time of the month, you know, just like feel fresh, whatever, especially with your period, just makes you feel clean and nice. So yeah, so if you're a pad girl, you don't need to get the tampons, or if you like both, there's an option for that too. I think this is such a good company, so that is why I wanted to share it on our channel. I know it's not the most exciting video, like showing you guys my tampons, but it is a subscription box, so that pertains to our channel, and I just think I really like, or I guess I should say, I just really love the company and what they stand by and all of that, and I think it's really important for people to care about their reproductive health, like even things like tampons. A lot of people don't realize that they're putting toxic things into their body. So I hope you guys check out this website if you're interested, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.